Same thing. These problems are a little jacked up, I'm not going to lie. You can see there's a missing letter there, but fortunately we only need two. So I can see my pre-image is the one without any prime, so I go from R to P. And if I were to like continue that on, I can see that is counterclockwise. Um, I can see that my next transformation is this one down here, R prime. So I'm going to start at R and move to P. I'm going to continue that arrow to see that that is counterclockwise. So the orientations are the same. It cannot be a reflection. It's either a translation or a rotation. If I trace this out and I trace out my other one, I can see that this thing is not getting slid down there, right? It's that shape is getting spun. So I can rule out translation, and I can say the first thing that happened was a rotation, and since it's shifting not one quadrant but two quadrants, that's two 90-degree rotations. That's a rotation of 180 degrees. And I'm going to keep on going. In my final transformation, I'm going to look at the orientation. And I'm just going to refresh my memory. I can see I'm starting at R and moving to P. So I got to do that same thing. I got to start at R and move to P. So yeah, that is counterclockwise. Nothing changed. So it still can't be a reflection. I now need to see, hey, did this thing get spun? Right? Is this getting spun, or is it simply getting slid over? And you can see it's just getting slid over. And it's a matter of, well, how is it getting slid? We know this final one would be a translation, a slide, translation. But how much is the x changing, and how much is the y changing? All right, so all that remains is to see how it's moving from one point to its image. So from P to P prime. And I'm just going to count boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 in the x. And since I'm moving to the right, that's positive, and 1 up. So since I'm going up, that's plus. So to recap, from the original blue, it is getting rotated 90 degrees. I'm sorry, it's getting rotated 2 quadrants, so that's 180. And then from here, it's getting translated 6 units to the right and 1 unit up. See you in the next problem.